at it again. The boy Focus. What up? What up? Marvy, what up? Young VZ, come home, boy, be easy. I heard music. Check it out. Check it out now. Yo. Hey yo, don't you hate when niggas hate a lot, acting like they bad when they not? You fuck them haters. I don't give a damn about them. Cause all they wanna see you down on the bottom. They thought they had me, my nigga, but what it was, I got them. Come and see me if you have a problem. Different hole, different project. They don't like to see me doing good, but love when I'm doing bad. I say fuck them haters. Yo, that shit's so sad. I can imagine how y'all feel since I'm getting paper now. And still with it, y'all got nothing for me, so keep hating on me. But do me a favor, back up off me, cause I don't want none of the hating rubbing on me. And I can see you lurking when your pockets hurting, while your people's laughing and smirking. Focus, make it happen regardless what happened. Disregarding you rappers trying to make it happen, and you can see by my actions.
And this is for the haters, y'all. I'm not worried about them, cause every day I'm getting paper, y'all.
Plus I spit a dart that'll get you stuck. Your head, press your luck.
This is head music,
I need to catch up.
and this is for the haters, y'all.
I'm not worried about them,
Cause every day I'm getting paper, y'all.
Plus I spit a dart
Gotta get you stuck.
your head, press your luck.
It's a head music, y'all need to catch up.
Yeah, I'm about to spin up off on them. Bo Jackson on them. Dodged them haters, I think I lost them. Folk different. When they thought that I was slipping, nah, I was only tripping. Only for a hot minute. Now I'm back in the flesh. Fresh to death like I never left. And y'all still taking baby steps. Now I'm older and grown, so I'll leave the haters alone. Cause all they wanna do is yap to their phone. So this the last time, keep my name out your mouth. When you see me, I know you gon' front, and then you get lumped. You fucking with Focus, and I ain't no punk. Listen up, I'm about my business. When I reach the top, yo, I'm still not finished. But the niggas all be diminished. A lot of my life, I did wrong. Now I'm trying to do right, but them haters in the way, and that's not alright.